Today, we are going to play a game, a new game. Today, we are going to play a game, a new game. We have played in the past games before. We played Guess the Animal and Which Thing is Taller? Well, that was like a test. Today, you need to guess what movie I'm thinking of, and I am going to give you 3 clues. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. Are you ready for the first movie? Let's get started. Movie number 1 that I'm thinking of. Movie number 1. In this movie, we learn that monsters are the same. They are the same as onions. As onions? What? It's true. In this movie, we learn that monsters are the same as onions. Huh? Clue number 2. In this movie, there is a donkey, a donkey that talks. There is a donkey that talks a lot. And the donkey is pretty funny. The donkey is really funny and he talks a lot. And the third clue. In this movie, there is a princess which is the daughter of the king and queen. The daughter of the king and the queen is the princess. The princess. And the princess, is looking for a prince. She is looking for a prince. Do you know the movie? Do you know the movie? It is, drum roll please, Shrek. In Shrek, he is an ogre, which is a type of monster. And Shrek says he is like an onion, because an onion you peel. You peel the onion. You peel it, and inside the onion there are layers of onion. And he is like an onion because he says ogres have layers, meaning that ogres on the outside are ugly, are not handsome. No. but on the inside, they can be nice. His sidekick, his friend that Shrek doesn't like at the beginning of the movie is a donkey and is called his name is Donkey. And in the movie, there is a princess named Fiona who is looking for her Prince Charming. Have you seen Shrek? It's very funny. It's very funny. You will laugh a lot. Movie number 2. Movie number 2. Okay, are you ready? First clue. This movie is about a girl. It's about a girl who has red shoes on her feet. She is wearing red shoes. This girl is wearing red shoes in the movie, and they are important. And this girl is trying to get home. She is trying to get back home. In the movie, she's trying to go home. Clue number 2. In this movie, the girl is traveling with a lion, a lion with a big mane. A lion has a mane. The hair around its head and neck is called a mane. She's traveling with a lion and a scarecrow. A scarecrow is a man or a woman that's made of hay, that is full of hay. And normally, a scarecrow is seen on a farm to scare away birds from eating the crops, the plants that are growing on the farm. And the girl is traveling with a man, another man, but he is made from metal. He is made from metal. And the last clue for the girl to get home, she and her companions who she is traveling with need to follow a yellow road. They need to follow a yellow road that is made from bricks. They need to follow the road to get home. Do you know the movie? It is The Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz is a classic. It is an older movie, but it is still today very, very good. It's an excellent movie. The girl is named Dorothy, And Dorothy wants to leave Oz to go back home to Kansas. And she travels with a lion that's named the Cowardly Lion. To be a coward is the opposite of being brave. Being a coward means you're scared of everything. And a lion is normally brave. But in the movie, he is cowardly. And a scarecrow. The scarecrow is not very smart. Is not very smart. He's kind of dumb. He's kind of stupid. And the man made of metal is made of tin. In the movie, he is the Tin Man. And the Tin Man is very cold. Not, but no emotion. He's not, yay! He doesn't get excited. And he doesn't cry. He doesn't get sad. He has no heart. When I was a kid for Halloween, I dressed up, I put on a costume, and I was the Tin Man. Movie number 3. Movie number 3. Are you ready? This movie is about Christmas time. It is about Christmas time. It is set in December, when Christmas is, in the month of December. The Christmas tree is very important during Christmas. And there is a boy, a young boy who has a dream. A Christmas dream. And in the movie, his dream comes true. His dream comes true. But his parents forget his mom and dad, they forget their son at home. And their young son is all alone. There are no other people. In the house. The boy is alone. Second clue. 2 burglars. 2 burglars try to break in to the house. Burglars are people that break in to a house to steal. They are burglars. And in this movie, the boy uses toy cars, not real cars. No, not real cars. Toy cars and cans of paint as weapons. Do you know this movie? It is Home Alone, another classic American movie that you should watch during Christmas time. So, how did you do? Did you get 3 correct, 2 correct, 1, or 0? Put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of Comprehensible Input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next one. Bye.